Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 18-foot by 52-inch round above-ground pool with accessories. Take in the summertime sun splashing and playing in the 18-foot by 52-inch above-ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls, strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. This kit comes with Uni-Bead Liner South Beach, A-frame ladder, vacuum, leaf skimmer, wall brush, hole cover, and bead track. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: universal top and bottom steel rails. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. Made from 100% virgin vinyl and contains highest grade inhibitors for maximum resistance to sunlight, chemicals, and cold crack. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.